Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. New installation for the 2021 Toyota RAV4, but this is going for any 2019 to 2022 Toyota RAV4. For this installation you have to have this type of grille on the RAV4 because I think the SE and the Adventure, the Prime, I think they have different grille. If you remember, on this RAV4 I did this from cartridge home, but you have to put glue on it. So I put glue on the corners, no problems, they still on it, they work fine. I don't have any condensation on this one, so I don't have any issues with these LEDs. On this episode I have new LEDs. They're gonna go in and they're gonna snap on the grill, no problems. I put it on, now I can remove it, so I'm gonna have to do the whole installation on these new ones. Luckily I already have the cables and everything from the last episode, so I'm gonna put the episode right here when I did the installation on these ones, because the wiring pretty much is the same. I don't have to do the wiring no more. Oh, probably I do. I'm gonna check the connection. Probably the connection is different, so if it's different, probably I don't have to do it. I'm gonna check that, but pretty much it's the same thing. So the only thing that I have to do is remove the top cover, run my wires to the fuse box, and do the whole connection again. But like I said, refer to that episode, because if the episode is right here, the connection is pretty much the same. These LEDs, they're from cartridge home as well, but you can put these ones snap on and you're not gonna have any problems. You don't have to put any glue or anything. This is the new light, the snap on place, and it's gonna be a lot better. So I see that they're kind of different. Probably they're gonna be a little bit different, all of them, or they're all of them the same. Yeah, all of them the same. They have the same type of clips. One is shorter than the other one. I guess these long ones, they go on the bottom, the short ones, they go on top, because that's how the way I put that one. So let me remove that one from the inside, remove the other one, the other four on top, and do the new installation on these ones. Okay guys, I was hoping that the connection, it was gonna be the same, so I can just connect these ones. It's not the same. This connection is different. On these ones you have to connect it, screw it on, and it goes in place. So I'm gonna have to redo the wire. The good thing is that they sent me the same type of wires. This one is gonna be connected right here. Like I said, the other episode has everything, so the only thing that I need to do is cut this connection right here, connect the red one, and for the ground I already had the wire going through the battery, so the only thing that I need to do is cut the splice right here and connect the black one, so I don't have to mess with anything in here, and then just run the new cable underneath. Same process, same everything. I have to remove these ones, and that one that I put on in here I remove from the back, because they do snap in place really good. So I'm gonna put them on the same spot like these ones right here on top. I gotta remove those, clean everything, and yes, the small side goes on top, the long side goes on the bottom, so it's gonna get like this. Once you have it like that, it's gonna clip in place, it's not gonna move, and it's gonna be bigger than the other ones. So what I'm gonna do is turn on the RAV4 so you can see right now these ones, and once I finish the installation I'm gonna put these ones on so you can see the difference. I'm gonna put them back to back, so let's see which ones are brighter. In this case I have the amber. I know these ones, they're gonna be amber as well. And like I said, I don't have to show you step by step because I already did all that. I can just focus on doing it and finish it, and I'm gonna show you the end result because the episode is already there. Okay guys, this new kit, it has this type of connection. You just need to use a heat gun, heat it up, and it's gonna make the weld on the connection. So everything's connected. I gotta plug this in back where it was. This is red, but I use it as a ground, so I had to cut this part and do my connection again, and I already removed the other ones. So these ones, like I said, we're gonna put them on the same spot, long ones on the bottom, and they're just gonna snap in place. This one too. And that's the good thing, that I can just remove the cover on top, unplug these ones and move them around. I don't have to put glue, I don't have to put anything. So this is gonna be easier in case that I decide to change them. Maybe put them on the bottom, but right now I'm gonna keep them on the same spot. So you just put them right here, snap it in place, snap it in place, and the last one. Okay, so we have the new ones. Once I finish my connection, I'm gonna show you how they look. Hopefully they're brighter than the other ones. Okay guys, the connection is done. This is one-way connector, so you can go wrong on that. I'm gonna get this clean up, put them, hide them underneath, put some zip ties, and that's how these ones look. I think the other ones, they were brighter, but these ones are bigger. This is just like an indicator, Raptor lights, so they look good. I like this color. Is more like a cover inside, so you can see more light. The other ones, those little 4 LEDs in there with a clear cover, kind of dark. But I think this one overall it looks better. They're bigger, so you really see them. Kind of like I like both. I can go with those, I can go with those, but the good thing about these ones, you don't need glue, so they snap in place. If I don't like it later on, I can move them around. I can put them on the bottom ones right here. I can switch pretty much. I can do whatever I want now that I have these. They just clip on. I did the connection on this USB 1 7.5 amps USB. You can do it on the USB 1, on the USB 2, whatever, doesn't matter. I have the connection in there. So there you have it. That's the new installation. Thanks to Cartridge Home for this LED Raptor light for the RAV4. And this is gonna be a lot better than those, because they make those I think for the Tacoma, but they send it to me so I can make the video, but I have to put glue. Now I don't have to run any glue, so I think this is gonna be, overall it's gonna be better. Link is gonna be in the description for these lights if you wanna get them. Thanks to Cartridge Home, and there you have it. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.